name is Don Hamilton with American Formula. Today's video is on how to demonstrate and sell Magnum. Magnum is a non-butyl cleaner degreaser designed to remove various types of greases and oils from surfaces such as floors, walls, equipment, and motors. For purposes of our demonstration today, we're going to be comparing it to Simple Green, another product found on the market for degreasing. Now, Simple Green uses an ingredient called butyl. Butyl actually penetrates through a layer of grease and oil and lifts it off the surface. Magnum actually uses surfactants and emulsifies the oil, or breaks the oil into tiny drops that are then dispersed throughout the liquid. For our demonstration today, we're going to take a little bit of Magnum and we're going to pour it into this cup. In our other cup, we're going to pour a little bit of Simple Green. Now you'll want to get these equal, make this a fair demonstration. And because they're both concentrates, you're going to dilute them with water. And again, you want to dilute those equally. Okay? Now, in this jar, I've got some used motor oil. This is oil that came from the crankcase of the car. You can obviously see it's quite dirty. Now I'm going to take an eyedropper and I'm going to put 10 drops of oil into both of these cups. Now what this oil represents is the grease and oil that you'll be removing from those surfaces that we talked about a minute ago. The floors, the walls, the equipment, engines, motors, that sort of thing. Now let's put 10 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 into the Magnum, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 drops into the Simple Green. Now I'm going to take some coffee stirrers and I'm going to stir them both up. First the Magnum, and immediately you can see that oil being broken up into tiny little drops that are now dispersed throughout the solution. Next, going to take another stir and stir the Simple Green. You can see those big drops of oil that I put in there being broken into little drops that are now floating up on the surface and not dispersed throughout the solution like the Magnum. I'm going to take both of these cups, kind of tip them towards the camera here, and you can see in my right hand the Magnum has no oil floating on the top. In my left hand, the Simple Green has lots of oil floating up on the top. Let's pretend for a minute that these cups are our mop buckets. I've got some cotton balls. These cotton balls are going to represent mops. We're going to take our mop, put it in our Magnum, wring it out. We're going to take our mop, put it in our Simple Green, and wring it out. Now when I hold these up for you to see, you can see all the oil that's all over the Simple Green mop and my fingers. The Magnum mop is clean. Now every time I put the Simple Green mop back on the floor, I'm just redepositing the oil back on the surface. So the simple question is, which of these mops would you rather use? The easy answer is the Magnum mop, the clean mop. Thank you very much.